हेलो फ्रेंड्स। स्वागत है आप सभी का आपकी अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। चैप्टर फिफ्थ, रिवॉल्यूशनरीज ऑफ इंडिया, सोशल साइंस, वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इसके अंदर दिया गया है। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो each क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स रिलेवेंट लेटर इन द बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इनिशिएटेड रिवॉल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट इन इंडिया? तो सी वासुदेव बलवंत फड़के। सेकंड, हु वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू बर्न फॉरेन क्लोथ्स इन इंडिया? डी विनायक दामोदर सावरकर। थर्ड, who wrote the book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle? B. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Fourth, who used to upset boats carrying salt? तो खुदीराम बोज, B. Fifth number, whose patriotic poems inspired patriotic favor among Indians? तो C. Ram Prasad Bismillah. Question number 6, which revolutionary set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity? तो B. Ashfaq Ullah Khan. 7, which of the following revolutionaries was an expert in horse riding and shooting? D. Ashfaq Ullah Khan. 8, which revolutionary had taken a vow saying, I will never be caught alive by British authority? C. Chandrasekhar Azad. 9 number, who established an organization named Mitra Mela? तो A. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, means Veer Savarkar. 10 number, who prevented an attack on Arya Samaj temple? तो D. Ashfaq Ullah Khan. 11 number, who from the following revolutionaries threw a bomb in the legislative assembly at Delhi? तो B. Bhagat Singh. 12 number, which national leader's death did Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru avenge by assassinating British officer Saunders, for which they were hanged? तो C. Lala Lajpat Rai. 13 number, who was the pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad? तो D. Shyamji Krishna Verma. 14 number, who played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society in London? तो D. Shyamji Krishna Verma. 15 number, which revolutionary assassinated William Wiley near Trafalgar Square in London? तो D. B. Madanlal Dhingra. 16, who unfurled the Indian tricolor in a foreign country? तो B. Madam Kama. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with proper words or numbers in the following statement. First, Vasudev Balwant Phadke initiated revolutionary activities in India and became the first martyr. Second, Vinayak Damodar Veer Savarkar was born at Bhagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Third, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar established an organization named Mitra Mela, which was later known as Abhinav Bharat. Fourth, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was the first one to set fire to foreign clothes in India. Fifth, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar wrote the history of the first freedom struggle of 1857. Sixth, Khudiram Bose was born at Habibpur village of Madnipur district in Bengal. Next one. 7 number, Ram Prasad Bismillah and Ashfaq Ullah Khan were born at Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. 8 number, Ashfaq Ullah Khan set an example of Hindu-Muslim unity. 9 number, Chandrasekhar Azad's real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. 10 number, on 8th April 1928, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi. 11 number, Shyamji Krishna Verma was the pioneer of revolutionary movement abroad. 12 number, Shivaji Krishna Verma was born in Mandvi village of Kutch. 13 number, Shyamji Krishna Verma established the Indian Home Rule Society in London on 18 February 1905. 14 number, the office of the Indian Home Rule Society was in his house, which was named India House. 15 number, to propagate the Indian Home Rule Society, Shyamji Krishna Verma started a magazine titled Indian Sociologist. Question number 3, put a tick mark right in the box against the following statement if they are true and cross wrong if they are false. 1. Vasudev Balwant Phadke fostered revolutionary idea right from the childhood. So wrong statement. Second, Khudiram Bose wrote a book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. Wrong. Third number, Ashfaq Ullah Khan's patriotic poem fueled the flame of nationalism. Wrong. Fourth number, Chandrasekhar Azad was a childhood friend of Ram Prasad Bismillah. Wrong. Fifth number, Chandrasekhar Azad became a martyr at Alfred Park in Allahabad, right? 6 number, Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi and escaped, wrong. 7 number, Shyamji Krishna Verma started a scholarship for India student, wrong. 8 number, Madam Kama had stayed in London from 1902 to 1907 C, so right. Next one, question number 4, match the column. 4th October 1857, तो आंसर आएगा श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा. 24 September 1861, तो आंसर आएगा मैडम कामा. 3rd नंबर 18th May 1883, तो आंसर आएगा विनायक दामोदर सावरकर. 4th नंबर 3rd December 1889, तो आंसर आएगा खुदीराम बोस. 5th नंबर 23rd July 1906, आंसर आएगा चंद्रशेखर आजाद. 6th नंबर 28 September 1907, तो आंसर आएगा भगत सिंह. आइडेंटिफाई मी. 1. I used to topples boast carrying salt, तो खुदीराम बोस. सेकंड नंबर, आई एस्टैब्लिश एन इंस्टीट्यूशन मित्र मेला. मित्र मेला किसने एस्टैब्लिश किया था? विनायक दामोदर सावरकर. थर्ड नंबर, आई प्रिवेंटेड द अटैक ऑन आर्य समाज टेम्पल, तो किसने आर्य समाज के टेम्पल पे जो हमला हुआ था वो रोकने की कोशिश की थी? अशफाक उल्ला खान. फोर्थ नंबर, इट्स माई वो दैट आई विल नेवर बी कॉट एलाइव, तो चंद्रशेखर आजाद. फिफ्थ नंबर, आई एस्टैब्लिश द इंडियन होम रूल सोसाइटी, तो श्यामजी कृष्ण वर्मा. ओके. Question number 6. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. First question. Who initiated revolutionary movement in India? तो वासुदेव बलवंत फड़के was the pioneer of the revolutionary movement in India. Second number. Which vow did Vasudev Phadke take? तो he took a vow of not applying tilak on his forehead and not cutting his hair until he had freed India from the clutches of the British. Third number, which secret group did Vasudev Phadke form? What were their young men trained to do? So Vasudev Phadke formed a secret group of armed revolutionary called Ramoshi to fight against the British. Fourth number, when and where was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar born? He was born on 28 May 1883 at Bagur village of Nasik district in Maharashtra. Fifth number, who was the first person to burn foreign clothes in India? So Vinayak Damodar was the first person to burn foreign clothes in India. Sixth number, which book did Savarkar write? So Veer Savarkar wrote a book titled 1857 India's First Freedom Struggle. 7 number, when and where was Khudiram Bose born? Khudiram Bose was born on 3rd December 1889 in Habibpur village of Midanapur district in Bengal. 8 number, who inspired Khudiram Bose to be a revolutionary? So Satyen Babu inspired Khudiram Bose to be revolutionary. 9 number, when and where was Ram Prasad Bismillah born? So Ram Prasad Bismillah was born in 1897 CE at Shahjahanpur in Uttar Pradesh. 10 number, which revolutionary set an example of Hindu Muslim unity? तो ये revolutionary name Ashfaq Ullah Khan set an example of Hindu Muslim unity. 11 number, what was Chandrasekhar Azad's real name? तो Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari was Chandrasekhar Azad's real name. 12 number, when and where was Chandrasekhar Azad born? So he was born on 23rd July 1906 in Bavra village of Alirajpur district in Madhya Pradesh. Next, 13 number, how did Chandrasekhar get the name of Azad, or how did Chandrasekhar become popular as Azad? So he was arrested and presented the court. In court, when he was asked his name, he gave it as Azad. From then on, he became popular as Azad. 14 number, what vow had Chandrasekhar Azad taken? So he had taken a vow not to be caught alive by the British government. 15 number, when and where was Veer Bhagat Singh born? So Veer Bhagat Singh was born on 18 September 1907 in Bhanga village of Layalpur district in Punjab. 16 number, who threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi? Why? So Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi on 18th April 1928 because their main objective was to draw the attention of British government. 17 number, which three revolutionary and fast friends were hanged on the same day? Why? So these three revolutionary and fast friends which were hanged on the same day, 23rd March 1931, are Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. 18 number, who pioneered revolutionary movement for India in England? So Shyamji Krishna Verma was the pioneer of revolutionary activities in England. 19 number, which revolutionary helped Shyamji Krishna Verma to carry out revolutionary activities? Shyamji Krishna got the help from leaders like Vinayak Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Madanlal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana and Madam Kama to carry out revolutionary activities. 20 number, when and where was Madam Kama born? So Madam Kama was born on 24th September 1861 in Mumbai. 21, who unfurled the Indian tricolor at a conference being held at Stuttgart in Germany? When in 1907 Madam Kama unfurled the Indian tricolor at a conference being held at Stuttgart in Germany with the slogan Vande Mataram. Next one. Question 7. Give historical reason for each of the following sentence. First, the British government sent Veer Savarkar to the cellular jail at Andaman. So he was arrested in 1910 for his association with the revolutionary group India House. Savarkar was sentenced to 2 life terms, 50 years, and was sent to the cellular jail on the Andaman and Nicobar Island. This was also known as Kalapani. Second one. Khudiram Bose was hanged. On 13th April 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki threw a bomb on Judge Kingsford's horse carriage in an attempt to kill him. However, the judge survived the attack, but his wife and lawyer Candy's daughter died in the attack. Khudiram Bose was arrested and hanged for his crime. Third number. Madanlal Dhingra was hanged. So in 1909, Madanlal Dhingra shot dead William Wiley near Trafalgar Square in London. He was hanged for this crime. Next one. Question number 8. Write a short note on or give a brief introduction of 1. Veer Bhagat Singh. So Bhagat Singh was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga village of Layalpur district in Punjab. He quickly became one of the main leader of the Hindustan Republican Association. While studying at Lahore National College, he came in contact with Sukhdev Bhagwat Charan and Yashpal. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly at Delhi on 8th April 1928. Their main objective was to draw the attention of the British government. Though they could not escape, they stood there and shouted slogans and surrendered themselves peacefully. The three fast friends Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru killed British officer Saunders to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The trio was hanged on the same day, 23rd March 1931. Second one, Shyamji Krishna Verma. He was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of Kutch district in Gujarat. He was the pioneer of revolutionary activities abroad. He played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society on 18th February 1905 in London. The office of this society was in his house, which was named India House. To propagate this society, he started a daily named Indian Sociologist. He was associated with the leaders like Veer Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Madanlal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana and Madam Kama in carrying out revolutionary activities. He arranged scholarship to help Indians living in England. He died in 1930 CE. और इसी के साथ ही हमारा चैप्टर 5 रिवॉल्यूशनरी ऑफ इंडिया यहाँ पर खत्म हुआ। अगर आपको चैप्टर 1 से लेके चैप्टर 4 तक की वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा। ओके, थैंक्स।